how to exchange Rev-Points for money on Revolut. Now first of all, open the Revolut app, make sure you log into your account and tap on Rev-Points as you can see here. After that, if you are eligible or in eligible country, you will see gift card option. Tap on it, you will be able to see it here as you can see. Now you can choose what gift card you want to exchange to your Rev-Points. So you have other options like cashback, money or discounts. So you can choose money or cashback. If you see an options like cash rewards or convert to money, tap on it, choose how many points you want to use. The app will show how much money you will get, and after that confirm and get the money. So tap confirm or redeem. The money will go to your Revolut balance. Now this is you make sure to, like, sometimes Revolut only lets you to use points for rewards, not real cash, and if money is not available you can still use points for gift cards or discount. So this is how to exchange Rev points for money on Revolut. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.